tuna ka khelh te hi anuam reuh khopa ti hianin I a hu hovin kan khel ani tuna in hre thiam da tur chuan an nuam lutuk ti keima control thaw kan nei ta control thaw te ke chu Mr. RS ti khin ta ni hei grupa siam ta a te ka entinan oh kanok start at chinang te khan hei kada sar stop ta a khamia ron lut thau kha kan khel don ani so pahnih kan ni to ke le milani ti hu kan tang don na hei le lama pahnih ve in nuam tuk hei te hi khel ve download ve ula de khanin group a khan ka in add vek friend kan in sia vek the de khan kan in khel ho the chu vi chuang in mo hei heng ho in ta ni hei ke ni chu veilam pang me hi leader heng tam player ho ai ta ni so hei le lam ho milani so ke ma leader kan ni wang khan te chu ka du dress ka thak thei red kan thak ni san chu ke ma group sia ve di wang khan group sia ma ron join how khan group chuang ron join how khan kan khel do ti nai chu pali ani don ti chu ta ke ma le kan lama pahni le lama pahni tinge an mani tira an players khan set ve thina rei thei tu ka ting lai takinga ano ro tu ke po ka sa chok jing khan group ka sia de khang ka sa chi lom member discord ko ang he strip so ne lok ngai ene la next week ngai dik chi zo.
Well, what a sight this is. A beautiful evening and the promise of a match that will really get the juices flowing.
Real Madrid and then ni lang. Real Madrid lo lam hi ke mani.
Next to me providing insights will be Jim Beglin.
Ka team hin hi ka.
Thanks for that, Peter.
Ka siam ve da ba.
The excitement has really picked up now and I'm eager for the action to start. There's nothing quite like match day, especially here. This crowd doesn't do ordinary, and we should be in for something very special.
Okay, ma mi sa ra sang te ti ko.
So off we go then.
Hey, a ball zel hi, a khring zel hi ka control he again.
And this is Berbatov. Goes for goal.
Hey,
looking to play him in.
he ka control he do.
Now it's Girassi.
A sen zel ko ka ball pa control.
And it's Azar. Somewhat off target.
Hey, a sen zel hi mo. Ke zo a khring zel hi ke ma.
Serginho, now he is quick, rapid, Peter, absolutely rapid. I suppose if there was such a thing as a model Brazilian fullback.
Siam ba do ni ka ball pa he do na.
Yeah, you don't win all those honours at club and international level without doing something right.
He ke ma che hi.
Oh, and they're quick to press here, right on top of them. Akisum. Now it's Girassi. Looking wide. Hazard. He is through here. Swings in across. That has been knocked clear and claimed it back swiftly.
Super. Oh.
So it is still 0-0. Now it's Vieri. Roberto Carlos. Madrid were a team
Apolam pang
looking
higi
for an
mani.
outlet, and it seems, Jim, as though they
Apola
found one.
at sunga sen dia ko
And if
sen
that
zel
allows
ko
them
control ang
to
kay
get
oh
people
action zel
running
ko
at and even going beyond
oh
that defence,
ko
then
asal
you can
apol
start
sunga
asking
sen
more
ko
questions.
kapol pa control.
Now it's Berbatov.
Higi ma zel
Alexander-Arnold.
higi
Up Ji-sung. Can he get it through?
sen zel ko pa.
Now it's Haaland. Serginho. Del Piero. And this is theih. Good pressure, determined, intense. And he's picked it up out wide. Played in by Roberto Carlos. Madrid with the corner, they're first. And that has been clubbed away. Pickford claims it, and the danger passes. Baresi. Half-time rapidly approaching, and it's still goalless. Sending in numbers sharp and uncompromising. Del Piero tries to pass it through. Now that's well seen too. Vieri goes steaming forward. No, he wasn't going to be fooled. De Bruyne and Girassi. Ødegaard. Ødegaard has been caught there, it's a foul. Berbatov running with the ball. That has not gone well.
Thấy rồi anh nuam đâu khóc mày.
So neither team were able to take the lead, but it certainly hasn't been for the lack of trying.
Well,
after 45 minutes, it is still goalless. Change perhaps after half-time.
Sorry.
From today's match are now available.
Hey, cái mà đi đó là ta cô clear cái con này tao đó. Cái con vậy đó.
Substitution in progress.
Thế nên việc này ông phát sáng mà để bỏ thì mà tập riêng đâu thế. Working for member and what he did and how ngạc cái chung ai đó này thì anh muốn thế cho rơi về nghe tỷ lệ started hết chứ.
Action is back underway. So neither side has yet broken through. Del Piero is looking up for options on the left. And he's been shifted off it. It's their second corner of the game. Serves up a cross. And now a sudden chance to counter. Shot at goal! And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders. And it's been given away. Reuh. Quality ball. Distributed tidily. Look towards the hour mark and still no goals. Theih. He's picked his way through. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. They've got to be quick moving this forward.
Clear thought and plan from here.
Quarter of an hour into the second half. He's shifting through the
So
gears here.
okay, mà sao cái trong cái khá chú.
Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him.
Mà sao chẳng có chắc về chú đó.
Now it's theih.
Có bác.
Madrid do have a chance to counter here. And this is Bergkamp. Oh, that's a very decent ball now. Oh, he's been caught on it here. Offside that time. Knocks it into space.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
It's run loose
Có trong
here.
cái đồ về.
Bergkamp making good progress on the right-hand side. That's very neat.
Cái mà pass đấy.
Azar. Well into the second half, and still there's nothing between them. Now it's Vieri. It's Vieri!
Then về.
And he has kept it out somehow.
Vieri is offering a wry smile there.
Madrid have their third corner.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yield a winner.
That's really well manoeuvred. This looks promising. Cross goes in there. Hazard powering forward here. Well, there was an element of promise insofar as they kept the ball well, but they did very little with it. Bergkamp crosses.
Well, that might be that, Peter. Maybe both sides just going to have to settle for the draw now.
Real chance! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Messi.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
It's a pretty loose pass. And that will be the final act. Frustration, exasperation, vexation, certainly from an attacking perspective. Neither side able to make an impression despite all the huff and puff. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Inter certainly had some good moments, Peter. There were plenty of encouraging spells that more should have been made of.
So just time for me to say thanks to Jim for his wisdom and to wish you all a very good evening.
Chú vi chú nên khelh theih tất nuam.